This young man has been collecting copper, haven't you?
Yeah.
And he's just compacting it a bit because he wants to melt it in the furnace. So we've got one here, 1100 degrees centigrade at the moment. That's the max it goes to, because he wants to pour it into the Orbeez. It's looking good.
Yeah.
We've only got this much left to go in. We're watching the sunset. That's completely melted now. Looks beautiful in there. Melted copper. Should be ready.
Wow. That's...
Ready, stand back.
Oh. Wow.
So that's proper melted. We'll see if we can get it out with pliers. It'll be very hot. And oh,
Wow.
wow, look at that. Still very hot.
Very good copper sculpture. I like it.
Well done. That's all the copper that you've put together. Looks quite amazing. We'll have to get all these Orbeez balls off it first, but we're going to dunk it in the water to cool it down a bit. There we are. It's cooled down quite a lot already. No steam. It's gone from 1100 degrees centigrade down to probably able to hold it with your hands. Okay, go on then. Get all the Orbeez off. Dunk it in the water. Wow, beautiful. Sounds nice as well. It's tough. Whoa, that was the colour of the crucible when I took it out. We're just going to let it cool down there while we let the furnace cool down as well. Very, very hot while Indigo cleans up the sculpture.
This is a sculpture of copper I made. It's got a lovely lustrous colour. It's much heavier than expected, and it's got a bunch of nice spherical shapes throughout the entire thing.